Oh my gosh. B. Yo, I have on a Beyonce shirt and I am about to do an unbagging of some items that I bought from the Ivy Park collection. How ironic is this? Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Ty, and for today's video I'm doing an unbagging of a few things that I got from the Ivy Park collection. This is what happens when you have dogs. Honestly, y'all, I don't even remember what I got, so I'm just gonna open this bag up and we gonna find out. I'm gonna have the truth. I wish I could play Beyonce music while I open this up, but I do not have copyrights to her music, nor can I ever afford them. So we're just gonna do this to some regular music in the background. Y'all, I'm literally so turned. Like, can you tell that I'm the biggest Beyonce fan in the world? Not really, so don't even come for me, but I do love Beyonce. It looks like I got a hoodie, some leggings, and a sports bra. So this is the sports bra that I got. I got a size small. I don't have a big cha-cha, so we'll see how this works out. Ah, it's cute. Okay, y'all. As y'all can see, the back of this sports bra is a mesh material, which is really great for workout clothes because it makes the fabric just a little bit more breathable when you start sweating. The tag that came on this sports bra also said that it was quick drying, which is another plus for workout clothes. This bra was $36. One of the only negative things that I can say about that Ivy Park line so far, because I haven't tried anything on, the prices are pretty up there. The only thing that I got on sale was the leggings. I think they were only like $12, which is insane. It is almost unheard of to buy something with Beyonce's name on it for that cheap. And by the way, all of this stuff I bought on Topshop. I mean, they have a band for you to fold the leggings over. Pretty thick. It feels like really good material, and I'm not just saying that, like it really does. And they also say Ivy Park on the legs. Y'all have no idea how excited I am. Like, I'm trying to contain myself. And lastly, I got this hoodie. Now, the hoodie was the most expensive item that I bought. I wanted to get 3 items just so I could give you guys a review on their leggings, their apparel, and their sports bras. The only thing I didn't get was a shirt because I just feel like it's probably just gonna be a shirt. And I didn't like any of the shirts that they had, like with the mesh stuff, so I just wanted to get something I could wear whenever for whatever. So this hoodie was literally perfect for that. I'm so excited to show you. I cannot even. This hoodie is a small and it was $65. So this again was the most expensive item that I bought. The sports bra and the hoodie both have that thick Ivy Park band. This is a small, but it looks really big. And then it's also got that logo on the pocket. Oh my gosh, this small is tight as hell. Also, this is the sports bra. It's honestly really comfortable. Okay, queen, so this is the sports bra. Like I said, it was really comfortable. I absolutely love the fabric. You can tell that it's not like cheaply made. It's a really cute design. Now, I'm not working out in it, so I can't really give a review on how fast it dries and all of that, but just based off of first impressions and how it feels, it's really cute. I would definitely recommend it to anybody. It's fashionable, so you can look cute while you sweat at the gym, or you can just, you know, do what I used to do, buy cute workout clothes and just walk around in them. And I just threw on that hoodie next because, you know, that was just easy to throw on. As you can see, I am extremely lit about this hoodie. It is so cute. I love the color. It's like a really light peach pastel kind of color. It's really cute. I absolutely love it. It is seriously my new favorite hoodie. The quality of the fabric in this hoodie, I can't even explain. Like, I'm trying to be I'm trying not to sound like a biased ass Beyonce fan, but seriously, you guys, it's so thick. Like, look at that. Look at it. It's so soft. Honestly, you guys, the only complaint that I have about this jacket is that I got it in a size small and it looks like a medium or a large. Like, I seriously feel like a marshmallow when I wear it, but I'm fine with that because I love marshmallows, but I know not everyone is. So these hoodies do definitely run I was gonna say a little bit big, but like no, like clearly, obviously, blatantly big. Like, come on, look at me. Tell me I don't look like a marshmallow. Oh, look at me. I'm so lit, y'all. And lastly, queens, these are the leggings from the Ivy Park collection. Y'all, I seriously love these leggings. The fabric is really good. It's breathable. It's really soft. And it also has that thick band at the top so that you can fold it over, which I thought was really cute because none of my leggings have those. The only complaint I have about these leggings is that they're really long, but I'm really short. I'm only 5 feet, so this is kind of just the story of my life. It's a lot of extra fabric at my ankle, but if you're tall, this is obviously not going to be an issue for you. Alright, queens, so if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Try everything.